Hi and welcome back to UK Woodcrafts. Today I need to make a sanding disc that can fit over both of these sets of jaws without me having to remove them. Let's put it on the lathe and make a start. Okay, so we're just going to start with a 30mm hole in the front of this using the Jacob's chuck and a 30mm Forstner bit. So that piece is now reversed in the first set of jaws. We just need to true it up and face it off. So just shape that down, face that off, true it up, and used a 1-inch scraper just to get a flat surface across there. I'll probably sand it and then we'll go to the velcro. Okay, so there's my sanding disc, quick, simple and easy. You can fit the small jaws inside for the expansion and the ring outside holds them outside. You've got their velcro stuck on the surface and your pads stick on like that. So there we go, nice, quick and easy, simple project, and it can be held by either jaws depending on which set I've got on at the time. Give it a try.